Hey everyone, so today's video is about this box fan dust collector slash paint booth. This model uses 4 filters, one on each side, one on the top and one on the back side, and I'll tell you why it's like that and why it's better than just a single filter on the fan. We're going to go over how to put this thing together, which is nothing but some tape really. 4 filters, a box fan. We can do all this for 40 bucks or less. And I'm going to give you the top 5 reasons why you should consider doing this, either for your home or your shop. In 3, 2, 1. So the biggest reason you're going to want to get one of these for your shop or your home is the air quality. It's going to filter more than anything else you currently have. It's going to improve your HVAC system in your house. Number 1, it improves air quality. The second reason is it's inexpensive. Like I said, it's 40 bucks. You can build it however you want. You can get more creative than I did. I just used tape because the tape comes right off. I'm going to throw the tape away, change the filters, retape it, do that. So that goes along with the third. It's easy to build. It's just filters and tape. Just said that. And then it's quiet. Some of your models that hang from the ceiling might be a few $100s, and they have quite a lot of airflow, CFM. And we're going to go over CFM, what it is, and we're going to measure some CFM with just a special tool, and we'll use that before and after with the filters. And I'll go over with just putting one filter on, what the advantage, disadvantage, and then the 4 filters. I like it in my shop. I'll put it close to where I'm working because it'll pick up a lot of dust, because I've been working on this boat and it's fiberglass and it's a lot of sanding, a lot of dust. Even though I use a shop vac with a bag inside, there's still some dust that lures around and it gets stuck in my mini split here. I'll show you in a second. So I want to keep that clean. I want to be able to breathe out here without having to wear a lot of masks or a respirator. Number 5, it reduces cleanup time. Without this in your shop, that dust is going to accumulate on your project more so than if you had something to help move the air and get rid of the contaminants. Okay, so you're like, hey Dan, what do I need to build this thing? Well, you need a box fan. So I got this at the dollar store, and it's 22 bucks. And then you're gonna need 4 20 by 20 by 1 inch filters. I got 3 of these, and I have a bigger size, which I'm just going to put this on top. I'm not real worried about how it looks, as long as it works. Okay, so we got our fan plugged in. One of the biggest things that kills fan motors in HVAC systems is a thing called static pressure. The static pressure is a resistance or difference in pressure throughout the HVAC system, usually around the return and the air filters. So I have this cool gadget that checks CFM. We're going to turn our fan on high, and then you'll be able to see roughly what the CFM is with no filters on. And then we'll use just the 1 filter, and then we'll go to the 4 filter method. So the reason you want more filter is it's going to filter more, obviously, and it's going to keep that static pressure down, and it won't kill your fan you just bought. So we're going to put this fan on here. So we're averaging about 600 CFM. Okay. Now I'm going to tape a 1-inch filter on. I'll put a 1-inch filter on this thing, and then we'll check it again. Trying to find a decent spot here that will give us like a good number. Okay, so now we're right about 350 to 400 with that 1-inch filter on the other side. And I'm going to take that back off, get another reading. I mean, you can hear the difference. So I'm going to put that right back where it was. Now it's jumping up to, you know, like 700-800. Between 6 and 7, I'd say. I mean, you can definitely hear the difference. Once I put this fan, air filter on, you can hear the fan slow down, and that's not good. So now we'll put the 4-filter assembly on. We'll do our 4 filters here. So they make filters a certain way from the factory, and they recommend using your arrow towards your fan motor. So we're going to do that. We're going to set these up, put 4 filters together on this thing. With just some tape. Got one on there, one going this way, it's going in. I'm going to put my tape right here. The other good reason to put 4 filters on, obviously, it's not going to get as dirty as just 1 filter, and you'll have more run time until you realize how clogged the filters really are. Gonna put that under that. I'm going to turn this like so. All right. I think I got a piece of tape on this guy here. All right, we got our arrow. Go like that. Okay. I don't know if you'll be able to see that one, but I'm just going to set it on top and tape it up. Yeah, I'm just gonna tape underneath this other filter. So we seal it up. Okay. I'm gonna turn the fan on and take a measurement. I'm at the same spot I was with the other ones. As you can see, it's 375, just about 400. And it sounds just like it did when I started it up without any filters on. Alright, so there you go. There's your 4-filter box fan dust collector / paint booth. Hope you found it informational. If you have any questions, send me a comment. And how about I want to see how you guys made yours. Did you get creative with sliding the filter in, like maybe some wood or some bent metal? Let me know in the description. Please like and subscribe. Helps me out to make these videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.